Hi, this is your Dr. Bitlavenu. In this video, I will show you how to draw the projections of the cube when one corner of the cube is placed on HP in such a way that the diagonal of the cube is parallel to HP and also the diagonal is perpendicular to VP. In both the cases, by considering these two conditions, we have to draw the projections of the cube. I read the problem here by considering these two assumptions, these two conditions in this problem. A cube of 50 mm is so placed on HP on one corner that a body diagonal is parallel to HP. This is the first condition, and again the second condition, the diagonal is also perpendicular to VP. By assuming these two conditions, we have to draw the projections of the cube of side 50 mm. As it is very clear in this problem, it is given, it is placed on HP. So by placing the cube on HP, draw the front view and top view first, draw the XY line. Draw the XY line first, then draw the XY line like this, then draw the top view first because it is placed on the cube is placed on HP. So the top view will be the true shape, and draw the top view in such a way that all the sides are making equal angles with HP like this. Now project all these points, name all those points as A, B, C, D like this, then project all those points on top to draw the front view like this. Then name all those points and draw the diagonal which connects these two corners. Name the corners or the top corners as A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash, and the bottom corners as 1, 2, 3, 4, but here we will get 3. Join the diagonal 3 dash and C dash like this, then drop a perpendicular to this diagonal, that is 3 dash C dash, to join 1 dash. That means, and name that point as P dash. Now P dash 1 dash is perpendicular to 3 dash C dash. 3 dash C dash will be the diagonal and P dash F dash will be the perpendicular to this diagonal. Now assume the first condition first, or consider the first condition. In this condition, the corner is lying on HP and the diagonal is parallel to HP. One corner is lying on HP in such a way that the diagonal is parallel to HP. This is the first condition. Now, in this case, we have to twist this cube in such a way that this 3 dash and C dash should be horizontal to XY line. So to draw the projection, now draw a horizontal line first, 3 dash, P dash, because we need to twist this diagonal, make this diagonal horizontal to this XY line, which is the HP. Draw the 3 dash P dash first with the compass, then P dash 1 dash will be exactly perpendicular to HP. This will be parallel and P dash 1 dash will be the perpendicular. So when we make this P dash C dash 3 dash horizontal, obvious that P dash 1 dash will be perpendicular to HP. Then after indicating P dash and 3 dash as well as 1 dash, then construct exactly whatever the shape that we have in the front view when the cube is lying on HP completely. Now from the 3 dash point and draw the perpendicular line and draw the line which is perpendicular to 3 dash 1 dash, or before that you join 3 dash 1 dash and draw a perpendicular to get this edge. So after drawing, I repeat this 3 dash, P dash and 1 dash. After locating these 3 points, join P dash 1 dash. First join P dash 1 dash, then draw a perpendicular to P dash 1 dash to get the height, and similarly at 1 dash also draw a perpendicular line with 50 mm. Then join this A dash and C dash and name this corner as A dash and name this corner as C dash, A dash and C dash, because here we have A dash, so that this will also become A dash and this will also become C dash. Similarly, this will become B dash and D dash at this location. Then after naming all the as usual conventions, so in this first step we have a cube which is exactly placed on the HP. There is no inclination at all. The bottom face of this cube is placed on HP such that all the faces, all the edges are making equal angles. In that way, we have constructed top view, and with respect to the top view, we have created the front view. Then we have twisted this cube such that the diagonal should be parallel to the HP like this. Then we have to draw the top view for this twisted cube. Then project all these points downwards from 3 dash, A dash, B dash, D dash, and similarly from the C dash like this. Then draw the horizontal lines from the top view when the cube is completely, the bottom face of the cube is completely lying on HP from the top, and draw the horizontal lines like this to get the intersection points. Then join all those points to get the top view of the cube when one corner is touching on HP as well as the diagonal is parallel to HP. This is what the first condition given in the problem. Then the second condition is this diagonal is also perpendicular. Make sure that we have to draw the projections of the cube when the diagonal is perpendicular to VP. In that case, so this is exactly our diagonal which is parallel to HP. Then make sure that this diagonal should be perpendicular to VP. Then name all those points like this and take the compass and draw a vertical line here. Draw a perpendicular line to XY. Then transfer all these points with respect to this vertical line to get the top view when the diagonal of the cube is perpendicular to VP. Then project all these points top to get the front view when the diagonal of the cube is perpendicular to VP. So project all these points from the second step, then project all the points from the top view of the second case, get all those points, then join all the points to get the front view of the cube when the diagonal is perpendicular to VP like this. Thank you. In the next video, I will show you one more example. Thank you.